Okay, so guys, what is up? We are back with another. Wait, Shirley, I'm making a video. Cool. Sorry about that. We're back with another MTB unboxing. This is the saltwater box. Scissors, as you guys can see, it's still has the tape on it. And yeah, try to go. Just watch, okay? We're just gonna cut it open and we're gonna see what we got in today's box. Maybe if I can open it. Ah, shit.
Did it hurt?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I cannot open this thing. Like, the box is legit like mounted, like it's like stuck. Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. Now, this is how you gotta open a mystery tackle box. Oh, guess we had to do it that way. Oh, look at these lures. I can already tell you guys this will be a very, very good box. So just to start off, we got, first to start off, we just got the Catch Coast sticker by MTB. And then, nope. Right. And then, so let's see what we first gonna start off. We got the Scaled Standard Twitch Bait by Live Target. So, looks kind of like a hanger, and I'm definitely gonna be able to use this. This is a nice presentation. Yeah, you can see. Nice, yep, you're right. A nice presentation of a nice lure. No, girl, not right now, not right now. Then we got the Bucktail by Roadrunner, and it retails at $2. So, is this the Bucktail?
Right?
This is the Bucktail. Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna use this. Go, I'll make a YouTube video. This is a Bucktail jig. That I can definitely use for striper. The Summer Swimmer, you here. Then we got the Summer Swimmer by Busher Bites. Wait, okay, so we got these very nice shot imitation, and yeah, you can see them. Very nice, high quality, and those retail $3.60.
Let me see this.
And then we got the best bait, my favorite bait in this entire box, and I'm totally gonna use.
Ooh,
It is this
slimy.
It's by Young, guys. This is just like a nice silver side shad, anything you really want to call it. Just
Those
put
are slimy.
maybe put this on a Bucktail. You never know. Well, guys, I hope you guys. I'm just gonna do a thumbnail. Oh, let's do it again. Okay, guys, that's the thumbnail. Sorry about that. Just had to. Hope it actually works. But oh yeah. So guys, I just gotta say bye-bye. See you guys. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah. Oh yeah. Hope you guys like today's mystery tackle walk and have a good day.